Recent trends in the prescription drug overdose epidemic have prompted NSC to make this issue the Council's newest strategic initiative. Since 1999, the number of people who have died from prescription drug overdoses has quadrupled. In 2010, a staggering 38,329 died as a result of drug overdoses. 60% of those were from use and misuse of prescription medications. 45 people die every day from overdoses of prescription pain medications. That is about twice the number that die from heroin and cocaine combined. More than 70% of those who abuse prescription pain relievers report getting them from relatives and friends. This abuse is having a great impact on the workplace. More than 60% of adults classified with substance dependence or abuse were employed full-time. Injured workers receiving multiple opioid painkiller prescriptions have 4.7 times as many days off. And prescription medications account for 20% of worker compensation medical costs. NSC is confronting this epidemic on a national level through a variety of strategies, including changing prescriber behavior and supporting efforts to reduce prescription painkiller misuse. For instance, NSC is working to optimize state prescription drug monitoring programs, which collect and analyze prescription information to identify which prescription drugs are being abused or misused, to monitor and measure the effectiveness of interventions, and to provide data about suspicious prescribing patterns to reduce doctor shopping, criminal prescribers, and pill mills. NSC is also planning to conduct employer, prescriber, and patient education, highlighting various issues for each group. Employers will be provided information to help understand the impact and costs associated with prescription medication abuse and how to improve their healthcare and workers' compensation benefits programs to address substance abuse treatments and ensure controls exist to identify and refer to treatment patients whose prescribing history suggests they may be misusing prescription drugs. They also will be provided information on educating employees on the safe use and disposal of prescription medications. NSC will work with healthcare providers to encourage medical groups to update and adopt clinical practice guidelines on the treatment of pain, educate providers on the appropriate screening, selection, and monitoring of patients for chronic opioid therapy. NSC will also continue to evolve a comprehensive strategy that will advocate for stronger national and state laws to address a variety of issues, including expanding enforcement initiatives to reduce pill mills, medical offices which provide little or no medical care but prescribe and dispense large quantities of pharmaceuticals.